Understanding your audience and niche is crucial before starting your YouTube channel. Knowing who you are creating content for helps tailor your videos to meet their interests and needs, making your channel more appealing. It also allows you to carve out a specific niche, reducing competition and helping you stand out in a crowded platform. Investing in quality equipment is essential for better video and audio production. High-quality visuals and clear sound can significantly enhance the viewer's experience, making them more likely to return for more content. While it may require an initial investment, the improved production quality can set your channel apart from others. Consistency in uploading is key to growing your channel. Regular uploads help keep your audience engaged and coming back for more, as they know when to expect new content. It also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can help improve your visibility on the platform. Learning basic SEO and using it to optimize your video titles and descriptions is vital. Properly optimized content can increase your video's chances of being discovered by new viewers. By using relevant keywords and phrases, you can improve your search rankings and attract a broader audience. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to expand your reach and learn from others. Working with creators in your niche can introduce your channel to their audience, providing you with exposure to potential new subscribers. It's also an opportunity to share ideas and gain insights into different content creation strategies. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts is essential for building loyalty. Responding to comments and creating interactive posts can foster a sense of community and make your viewers feel valued. This engagement can lead to a more dedicated fan base that's more likely to support your channel long-term.